In this video, we'll show you how to use the OneSpan Sign mobile app to securely prepare, send, and sign documents on the go from your tablet or smartphone. To start, log into your OneSpan Sign account. From the dashboard, you have the option to access your transactions, templates, library, account information, and settings. To prepare your document for e-signature, tap Create New Transaction and enter a meaningful name for your transaction. You have the option to upload your document from popular cloud storage services such as Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, or use a document from your templates or library. In this example, we'll upload a document stored in Box. Now it's time to add signers to your document. Paul, the sender, will add himself to the document. Next, he'll add the signer to the document by entering the signer's first name, last name, and email address. At this point, you also have the option to authenticate the signer's identity through a number of user authentication methods, such as question and answer or SMS text code. For agents and reps working in the field, the OneSpan Sign app gives you the ability to enable in-person signing so that you can obtain signatures in real time via face-to-face scenarios. Now that the signers have been identified, let's move on to adding signature blocks to the document. Drag the signature field in the areas appropriate to your document. If you need to capture data in your document, form fields such as checkboxes and radio buttons are also available. The document is now ready for signing. Tap Send. Since this is a face-to-face scenario, the signers will be asked to e-sign the document right away. Paul can simply tap to sign to capture his signature. The OneSpan Sign app also gives you the option to obtain a handwritten signature from customers. Your customer can tap to sign and then create his handwritten signature from the device. Ready to go mobile with e-signatures? Download the OneSpan Sign mobile app today and discover how easy it is to send, sign, and manage documents on the go.